always dreamed about being exactly where you are. I was dreaming when I was just a middle school student about being in college someday. I was dreaming about being exactly where you are, Alonzo, exactly where you are, Ebony. I was dreaming about being in college someday. I went from being right on the border of Texas, right on the border, right where the border wall is, all the way up to being right down the street from the White House. And for me, that was like my biggest dream. And so when I got to be right where you are, right where you are as a college student, that was my dream. That was my vision. That was my goal ever since I was really, really young. And so then I'm there. I'm at the university. I'm living my dream. I decide to do this crazy thing. I decide to walk on to the football team. And so one day, as I'm getting ready for practice, I have a back injury. So I have to get up extra early to like warm up before the warm up. And so I'm getting ready early in the morning. It's like 5 a.m. and I get a phone call. I pull up my phone, I answer it, and it's my little sister. And she never calls me at 5 a.m. I don't get any phone calls at 5 a.m. And my little sister calls me and she's screaming, she's yelling, she's saying, Johnny, help, Johnny, help. I need your help, Johnny, I need your help. And I'm confused because I have no idea what's going on. And I tell my sister, Jasmine, I say, Jasmine, what's going on? What's wrong? She says, Johnny, I need your help. Johnny, I need your help right now. And we lose connection. That day, I was getting ready to go to the football practice. I'm getting ready to go to class. I'm getting ready for my study groups. And it's completely interrupted because I have to answer this phone call from my sister. I call her right back and my sister answers and she says, Johnny, I don't know what to do. Mom is about to commit suicide. She has a knife and she locked herself in her room. And I'm trying to figure out how to help my sister. I hadn't been in the situation where I'm having to walk my mom out of not committing suicide over the phone. And it takes about 30 minutes. I'm talking to my mom. My mom finally opens the door. She finally answers the phone. And I walk my mom through not committing suicide. And I'm walking close to the football field. I'm getting ready for the first meeting that we're about to have. And I realize that I still have someone that weighs 300 pounds trying to get past me to take down the quarterback in that moment. I still have to go to class where I have to study for the test that I'm about to take. I have to go to class and learn. I have to go to class and write the report. I have to join organizations. I have to get to my goal because my goal wasn't just to actually get to college. My goal was to graduate college. My goal was to be successful. And I'm having to experience it, but there's this thing that I use, and I use it at every place that I go. I always say the word push. So David, I need you right now to get in the chat and type the word push. Alonzo, I need you to get in the chat right now and type the word push. Ebony, I need you to get in the chat and type the word push. Thank you guys. I love seeing it. Monica, thank you so much for writing that in the chat. I love it. Victoria, thank you so much for writing the word push. And so the word push, it stands for something. It stands for persevere until success happens. Everyone say push. And so I'm not sure what it is for you. I'm not sure what struggle you have. I'm not sure what you have to push over. I'm not sure what you have to overcome, but I need you to understand that in order for you to have success, in order for you to accomplish your goals, in order for you to join that organization, in order for you to be that leader, in order for you to graduate with that 4.0, in order for you to lead that study group, in order for you to accomplish your dreams, your goals, your vision, I need you to understand the word push. See, I wish I could tell you that my mom, that was like a one-time thing, but it ended up being something that would happen on occasion. But I learned to push. The same way I know whatever it is that you're struggling with, whatever it is, maybe you miss home, maybe you feel insecure, maybe you don't feel like you feel out of place, maybe you've had a hard time making new friends. I don't know what it is for you, but I know that you can overcome it. I know that you can learn to push. I know that you can accomplish your dreams, that you can accomplish your goals, that you can accomplish your vision.